Hi, I'm Las Vegas bankruptcy attorney Ryan Alexander. Right now we're going to talk about things to get ready before filing bankruptcy. If you're going to talk to me about bankruptcy process and you want to come in for a free consultation, one of the things that makes it easiest and most prepared is to get your 2006 to 2008 tax returns ready, and then 2009 once we hit 2010. We need 3 years tax returns. I need 6 months bank statements from all of your bank accounts, including your business accounts if you have your own small business, and 6 months pay stubs, or if you're receiving unemployment or disability payments, 6 months of those receipts. Also, it's good to have your Social Security card. Double check, make sure you have your Social Security card ready because we'll need that once we file. And then you set an appointment, come and meet with me. When you meet with me, I'll have a questionnaire I'll give you to take home with you to fill out. We'll fill out all of your financial information, all of your income, all of your debts, and all of your current expenses, everything you're spending your money on right now. If you decide to retain us as your attorneys, my office is going to order your credit report through our computer system. So you'll get a copy of your credit report. We'll have your FICO score that will show you exactly where you're at. You can go over those debts on your credit report and double check and make sure everything's included. We will prepare your petition to get it ready for the bankruptcy court. The packet of paperwork, it's a pretty big packet. We will prepare all of that based on the information you provide. At the same time, when you meet with us, we're going to order credit counseling for you. You have to do a 90-minute presentation by phone or internet in order to even file a bankruptcy petition now. The government has said that everyone who files has to do this counseling first. We order that counseling through our system, and once you return the questionnaire to us and with your tax returns and pay stubs, you can do that questionnaire. We automatically get a receipt through the computer system that you've done it with a little certificate. We file that certificate with your petition. Once we've done that, then it's approximately 1 month until the meeting of creditors or 341 hearing, and that's the only meeting that you have to come to. We've talked about it in the other video in more detail, but it's the meeting with the trustee, and then usually 4 to 6 months is when you'll get your discharge, depending on and the circumstances of your case, if there are any motions or reaffirmations that need to be filed. Now, things not to do before you want to file bankruptcy: do not transfer any property to anybody else. Don't give anything away. Don't sell anything to anybody, family members, business partners, or otherwise called insiders. Don't give anything or sell anything to anyone unless you've talked to your attorney first. You could ask us. We'd like to talk to you about that because the trustee is concerned with you giving away property to anybody in order to hide it from creditors, or otherwise just selling it at a market value, below market value. You need to make sure you're getting all the value that something is worth. So say you sell, you know you're in financial trouble and you have a boat. Don't give the boat away. You have to sell the boat for what it's worth, and you have to show what you did with the money, and you're going to be accountable to the trustee and to the bankruptcy court if you do file for bankruptcy on what you did with the money. So I always advise people, if you're thinking about giving anything away or selling anything of substantial value, please call us first, have the consultation. We can help you decide how you're going to deal with this. We don't want to end up in a situation where you cannot file bankruptcy because you have already done something before you've even come in and talked with us. And occasionally we have to tell people, well, look, you cannot file this year because of this property that's gone. So we want to avoid that and not have any missing or disappeared assets because the court doesn't look very kindly on that, and it could lead to a dismissal of your bankruptcy petition and your debts will not be discharged, and then you're stuck having to wait to refile. If you're in a really bad financial situation, don't worry about getting your tax returns and pay stubs before you come and meet with me, but we will need those before we file your bankruptcy. But if you need to talk to someone now, please give me a call, Attorney Ryan Alexander, at 702-868-3311. And you'll have a free consultation with me where we'll talk about what bankruptcy can and can't do for you and decide which plan of action is best for your financial situation.